Learn how to make your own roll-on so that you can feel at peace in the midst of the holidays. Let's make this at peace roll-on, because with this recipe, you'll go from confused to at peace in no time. Hi, I'm Summer Whitnaven, certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching you how to use your essential oils. Turn off those distractions because making is healing, and let's get started. So here's what you'll need in order to make this recipe. You'll need your roll-on. From your big bonus box, you're gonna need fractionated coconut oil and one of your roll-on. From your Simply Earth monthly recipe box, you'll get a recipe card, you'll get a sticker sheet, and you'll find your Sweet Dreams Essential Oil Blend, Lavender 4042, and your Peace and Quiet Essential Oil Blend. From your house, I like to use a small funnel. You'll need to pop out this little roll-on cap. We can put our funnel in right away, and we are going to use 1 drop of Sweet Dreams Essential Oil Blend, and you'll need 2 drops of Lavender 4042. And you'll need 3 drops of Peace and Quiet Essential Oil Blend. And the next step is to fill it up to the top with your fractionated coconut oil. Remove your funnel, replace your cap, screw on your lid, and then lay flat after you shake for the sticker. I grab my sticker from my sticker sheet. You can make this. I love to see your creations, so make sure to take lots of photos and then post them with the tag from Simply Earth, #IMadeThis. The Simply Earth monthly recipe box makes it so easy to make natural recipes. Go make it.